Basics of Scrum. What is Scrum? Welcome to the first lecture of this section. In this section, we will cover the basic principles of Scrum. In this very first lecture of this section, we will start with a definition of Scrum and what it stands for. I want to start with the definition and purpose of Scrum directly from the Scrum Guide, which was updated in 2016. Scrum is a framework for developing and sustaining complex products. Ken Schwaber and Jeff Sutherland developed Scrum. The Scrum Guide is written and provided by them. Scrum is a framework within which people can address complex adaptive problems while productively and creatively delivering products of the highest possible value. Scrum is lightweight, simple to understand, difficult to master. Scrum is a framework that has been used to manage complex product development since the early 1990s. Scrum is not a process or a technique for building products. Rather, it is a framework within which you can employ various processes and techniques. Scrum makes clear the relative efficacy of your product management and development practices so that you can improve. The Scrum framework consists of Scrum teams and their associated roles, events, artifacts. Each component within the framework serves a specific purpose and is essential to Scrum's success and usage. The rules of Scrum bind together the events, roles, and artifacts governing the relationships and interaction between them. Scrum is founded on holistic process theory, or empiricism. Empiricism asserts that knowledge comes from experience and making decisions based on what is known. Scrum employs an iterative incremental approach to optimize predictability and control risk. Three pillars uphold every implementation of empirical process control: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. These three pillars are the most important basics of Scrum, yet mostly ignored by Scrum practitioners. That's why we have dedicated a lecture, which is the next one, to focus on these three pillars.